If you want to show that you've finished speaking, but with confidence, use a falling tone. For example, this is true. I live in England. Taking that tone down at the end of your statement sounds like you strongly believe in what you've said. It shows confidence in what you've said. And it's also a bit like saying, I've finished speaking, you can talk now. Really useful in business situations, in day-to-day life. It's just a general social cue that we use to show our listener that we've finished speaking.